Today we're going to be talking about area and perimeter. These are some brand new concepts, and so there's nothing to solve today, just some new information for you to learn. So area is the amount of space inside of an object. So if I have this rectangle, and I want to fill up, and I want to know what's all on the inside of my rectangle, I'm going to fill it up with some squares, and I'm going to see how much space is inside of this object. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So inside of my rectangle, I have 20 square units. I'm putting SQ for square. 20 squares fit inside of my rectangle. So the area is 20 square units. Whenever I'm trying to find area, I'm trying to fill out my entire space just like I did with those squares. Perimeter is a little bit different. Perimeter is the distance around an object. So like if I wanted to put a fence around a yard, I would be trying to find my perimeter. So same rectangle, instead of trying to fill in the inside of my shape, I want to put a fence around my shape. So I'm going to use those same units to figure out my perimeter. My perimeter would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I would have 18 units is the perimeter of my object. I wouldn't call them squares because I'm only counting the bottom edge to put my fence around my object. So area is the amount of space inside of an object. So like if I were mowing the yard, I would want to know all of the area that I'm trying to mow. While perimeter is just the distance around. So if I was putting up a fence in my yard, I would want to know the perimeter. So as we work this week, we're going to figure out how we can use squares to figure out the area and perimeter of an object. And then we're going to move into how we can use numbers to figure out the area and the perimeter of an object.